This is my Opel Corsa A, or also known as the Vauxhall Nova, where today I will start off restoring the car. Specs wise, this has a 1.2 litre carburetor 4-speed manual, with electrical windows, as an extra, instead of winding windows, with an overall colour of glacier white. This is a facelift model, and we're about to start restoring it. So I have cleaned the carpets over here. They're pretty clean. So basically I just started cleaning a bit this tire just to see how it come out. Basically I have some soapy water, just water with soap, a bucket of soap too, and I have a brush to brush it. I will be using this too when I'm cleaning the dashboard. The dashboard I'm going to use a bit of heat gun because the plastic has faded away a bit, and I just want to, just a small example, you see, before, after, you know, just using a bit of heat gun livens it up. And I'm still gonna put in this carpet. So yeah, let's get on. So now I just put in the carpet. Looks very nice, very clean, as you can see. Now I'm just taking off the things just to clean a bit the dashboard, to make it nicer, make it look as it just came out of the factory. And once I'm done from that, I'm gonna put in the second half of the carpet, and I'll see what else I can do. So yeah.
5 hours later.
So I have removed the windscreen so I can get a better look and clean from the dashboard up here. So yeah, it's becoming much better than before. Let me get the torch and show you the difference. So that's like, this is the before and this is the after. Looks much nicer. So yeah, over here I'm going to use a bit the heat gun to liven up the plastic, as I said before. So yeah. So now, since the interior is clean, I can use the heat gun now. So let's go. We are finished from doing the dashboard. Looks nice, brand new. Now I have to assemble some parts. For example, this I'm going to have to do the radio cover, the speaker cover, sorry. The vents, I think they are for, and I think that's it. I think that will be it for the dashboard. Looks nice and good. So overall, I think I'm happy with the result of the carpet and the dashboard. Now we just need to set up the whole interior. I finished the interior, put in the vents and everything. The dashboard is done. Now onto the carpet. Alright, so the second carpet has been fitted in, and I put in this metal bar for the seat belt. It's pretty solid. Now I just need to do the other side, and I will be showing you how to install it. Basically this is how to install this, the railing bar. You first need to get this piece of plastic and line it up. There you go. And just to make sure, tap it in all the way. That's for sure in. Now put this, make sure to leave it straight. Now once that's done, you place this one in. Yep. Wiggle it in. Just give it a you need to place some pressure. Now once that is done, place this bolt. Make sure to have this in front of the bar. And you can start tightening it. Once that is tight, it's good to go. Now place the cap, make sure to have it like this, and it's done. You're done. Now simply for these two parts, these two plastic bits, this part goes over here. It used to be like this. You can notice you have these two clips over here, which lines with these two holes. Slide it in and clip. It has a clip over here underneath where you can remove it. There you go. And for this one is just simply on the outside. These two clips line with these two holes. Slide and inside. There you go. So yeah guys, I think this will be the end of the video here. We've technically checked the list for cleaning the interior, making it nice. Looks beautiful. Put in the carpets, put in the plastic trims, the gear knob. Now, and these railings. Now for our next video we are going to put in the rear seats, but before that we are going to fix a bit the stair. This also goes for the rear seats and the front seat. You know, it needs a bit, but that will be an easy fix. And we will be putting in the rear interior, the rear cards for the back. We'll be removing some of the lights from the back, so we'll be cleaning it up. And we might actually put the window. We might put the window in. So yeah. Okay guys, unfortunately it's the end of the video. Please subscribe, make sure to like, comment down below what should I do next. So yeah, see you to the next one guys. Bye.